Hello everyone, and welcome to another video in our series of Texas Instrument Calculator and how to use the BA2 Plus calculator. In this series, we're going to cover a variety of topics on how to use the BA2 Plus calculator for financial or business math. In this video of the BA2 Plus series, I will show you how to find days between dates using the BA2 Plus calculator. Days between dates is when you're trying to figure out how many days are between two certain dates in order to do some financial transaction, since not all dates for financial transactions are calculated in years or months. They not say 6 months or 2 years. They might say from this date the deposit was made, another date the deposit was withdrawn, how much interest would be on that. So we have to calculate the days between dates. To access the days between dates button, I have it highlighted here. It's the one button on the calculator. It's the one above it. You can see it says date. So you have to press second one to access it. So pressing second, then date or one, this will bring up the date worksheet. First is going to display the first date. So you have to enter this first date in this format, which is very important. First, two digits for the month, dot, 2 digits for the days, and 2 digits for the year. You don't have to put the dot between days and years. This is very important. Only one dot, starting with the month, 2 digits, dot, 2 digits for the day, 2 digits for the year. Now for the month, if it's not October, November, or December, if it's one of the one-digit month, you can enter it as 03, 04, or just 3 and 4. You don't have to enter the zeros. You can enter it as one digit because the dot will tell the calculator that this is single-digit month. For the days, it's very important to enter it as 2 digits. Even if the day is 1 to 9, you have to enter it as 01 or 09. Otherwise, the calculator will take the first digit of the year as the second digit for the day. So this is very important. Once you press the down arrow, it's going to take you to the second date. You enter it. Okay, if you enter them in reverse order, if you enter the later date first and the first date second, you will get negative number for the number of days. Then, if you press, this will give you the days between dates. And it includes the first day of the first date, but it doesn't include the day of the last date. Okay, because that's the day when the withdrawal or the transaction ended. Another option is the ACT. This shows that this is the actual number of days into consideration. So there are two options here, either 360, considering the years is 360 all the time, or the ACT, which considers 365 and leap year and so on. So to change it from 360 to ACT or vice versa, you have to press second, then set. Okay, other than that, this is what we have to do. So how many days are between February 21st, 2010 and June 1st, 2010? What we have to do here is, as we said, enter second date. We're going to enter the first date as, see, February is the second month, so we don't have to enter 02, we can enter it as 2. Then 21st for the day, 10 for the year. We're going to press enter, then the down arrow. Enter the second date. June is 6, same idea. I don't have to enter 06, but it's not wrong to enter it 06. But for the day, it's very important to enter it as 05, not just 5. Press enter and down arrow. You will go to the days between dates. When you press the CPT, it should show me how many days are between these two dates. So let's try it on our own and see what do we get. So we're going to press second date. And you see it tells me enter the date in this format. So I'm going to enter 2.2110. And I need to press enter. So you see 2/21/2010. Down arrow, the second date, 6.0510. And I need to press enter, otherwise the value is not stored. Down, days between dates, all I have to do is press the CPT button, and it shows me that there are 104 days between these two dates. If I press the down button, you will see that it's ACT, and then it takes you back to DT1. Let's look at another example where one of the dates is prior to 2010. So here we have dates between November 23rd, 1982 and July 15, 2011. So for the first date, we're going to enter 11/23/82, as you can see. Then press enter. Down, 7/15/11. Enter, down, and press CPT, and it should give us the days between dates, which is 10/4/61. Let's bring our calculator now and enter our first date as 11/23/82. Press enter. You can see that it's 1982. Press the down arrow, 7.1511. Let's press enter. This is the second date. Press CPT, and it will give us 10,461 days between these two dates. One more thing before we wrap it up. What if we want specific dates based on certain number of days? So for example, let's go back to the 82, and I don't want the 10,461 days. I want to know the maturity date after, let's say, 5,000 days. So in this case, similar to any worksheet in the BA2 Plus, I'm looking for the second date. So I'm going to go to the days between dates, and I'm going to say, okay, when is the date? So I'm going to enter 5,000. Which day is 5,000 days from the first date? I'm going to go back to DT2 and press CPT. And it shows me that it's August 1st, 1996. So this is the 5,000 days from November 23rd, 1982. The idea here is you can enter the dates and find the days between dates, or if you have you're looking for specific dates, 300, 200 days after a certain date, then enter the first date, leave the second date empty, enter the days between dates, go back to the second date and press CPT or compute. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos on statistics using SPSS and Excel, among other things.